Good morning, everyone, from the Philippines. It is Friday today. Overcast, cloudy. Probably going to rain today. Has rained here in the past couple evenings. I don't know. I've always thought rainy season started in July. We're getting this rain. Maybe there's a storm coming in, or has come in. But yeah, a little overcast. Just got done eating breakfast. I am going to just take a breakfast walk. I know it's looks familiar, right? We're walking between One Euphoria here, Swiss Chalet down there. Here's where we're walking. Seen a couple things I want to show you guys that I noticed here the other day. And I figured I'd show you. There's the hotel open. Welcome, Valentino's Hotel. Looks like a nice hotel. Close to all the action. A couple blocks off of just walking straight, right over here by the Pacific Breeze. Tell you what though, with being overcast like this, low humidity, very nice out. I will deal with the clouds. On the left is the Orchid Inn. They are open, guys. Remember, guys, just go online. Go online. If you want prices, a lot of places will give you a cash discount. That's the way to do it. Over here is their swimming pool, bar, and restaurant. They do have a nice pool in there. There's an Indian restaurant here. Krishna's Place up here on the left. You always get the girls sitting out here. They'll probably jump up, hide their face. They all sit out and hang out there. Morning. I'm inside. What's inside? Chocolate Resto Bar. That used to be the Brown Sugar. That has changed. No parking. Chocolate Resto and Bar. There's the old Midnight Rodeo. No vax, no entry. Gotta get out of the road. Don't want to get run over. I'm gonna walk up this way. There's RBI Steak Queens Hotel right here on the left. Right here on the right is my aircon, guys. So if you're living here in Angeles and morning, if you need a good aircon guy, and this guy's good, right across from the Queens Hotel. You guys see where I pointed my camera right there. Can't really see the name of the shop because the tree is in the way, but that guy's great. Those people there, they do an excellent job. They come out to your house. They'll remove the air conditioner out of your house, take it back to their shop there, clean it all out, bring it back, install it, make sure it's running. They do an excellent job. So that's my aircon guy here. Now let's just walk and see what Norma's price is. Morning. What Norma's going rate is for the peso exchange. Right here on the left. This is a new club here. That's a new club there. It's got Korean Chinese writing up there, so I there's a Korean restaurant up there, according to their sign. Hiring Mama San's waitresses, model spotlight. Obviously closed right now. It's on the side street here. I don't know how well their business is going to do. And again, Koreans take care of their own here. They will pick people up at the airport with the Korean bus shuttle, van shuttle, take them to the Korean hotels, take them to the Korean restaurants, take them to the Korean bars. They take care of each other. That's one thing they do. Keep the business all within the business. All right. Guess that's the back of Natalia Hotel. Right down here on the left is Norma's. All right, let's continue the walk. There's another place right here. Right here on the right. It says for rent or lease. Looks like a old cafe that never made it, evidently. Huh. Yeah, for rent or lease. That's the thing. Places pop up and they close left and right here. Red doors on the right. Or Orsu Hotel or Red Doors. You choose which one it is, all right? Amigo Street Food on the left. Good, how are you? I had tacos. I think they do the taco thing in there. Oh, here's Norma's right here on the left. Let's see what the going rate is, guys. Morning. 52 even. All right. 52 even. That's what the going rate is right now at Norma's. So it'll probably be like 49.90 or 80 down on the main street. Do I want to shoot down? Not this road. The next road. I'm going to shoot down the next road on the left here. Yeah, we'll go up here. Right down here. I got a stink foot here. Yeah. Hop, puppy. Let's go down this way. It'll take me into the area that I want to show you guys. I was surprised when I drove by here what was actually going on. Burgers, buy one, take one. You always see that. Burgers, buy one, take one. And they're not the greatest, guys. If you're hungry, though, you'll eat it. I hope they don't have it blocked off. These apartments back in here. You know, somebody said, you know, how do I find an apartment? Guys, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. You got to get here. Get here, find a place, hotel, bed and breakfast, whatever you want to do. Book it for a week or so to spend the time walking around. Get in a trike. Get a trike driver to take you around. Ask a trike driver. That's the best way to find a place for rent here. The best place. If you see it on a sign, on a building, take a photo, give them a call. But that's the best way. Alright guys, here's what I want to show you here. I'm coming up here, straight ahead. This was, of course, was called, we nicknamed it the Freelance Park area, right? As you can see, they've cleaned it all up. I don't know what they plan to do here, but they cleaned it all up. I gotta get up this wall. Let me get up this wall here quick. I better stay there. Here's what I'm using. My foot and this rebarb that I've grabbed a hold of to make sure it's going to hold me. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Try that again. Didn't have enough momentum. You see it, guys. They cleaned it all up here. I don't know what they plan to do. Hey, my man. What are they doing here, you know?
Yeah, very up.
What are they doing? You know what they're going to put in here?
Yeah.
Are they, what? No?
The feria next week.
A what? Fair?
Feria.
Oh, they're going to put the fair back. I like your hat. Bubba Shrimp.
Yeah, very
Bubba Gump Shrimp Company.
Yeah.
I like that from Forrest Gump, man. All right, brother.
Thank you.
So they're putting it back in. All right, cool. He's saying they're going to put the fair back in here. They used to have a little fair back in here, play games and a couple little rides and stuff. So that's the intent. At one point, guys, they used to have all kinds of vendors through here. What's up, buddy? They used to have all kinds of vendors through here, you know, and they called this area Freelance Park area. That actually looks familiar right there. Kind of looks like when they did have it in here. So that's, he says they're putting it in here, huh? They putting the fair back in, huh?
Yeah.
All right. That's good.
The area.
The fair area again. Yeah. All right. All right, buddy. All right. That's cool. About time they do something with it again, huh? All right. I thought the train was coming through here. Carnival. But I thought the train. I thought they were going to bring the train through here, huh?
Yeah.
Sometime. Someday, huh? All right, buddy. There it is. Carnival. They say carnival. Hello. Good morning. What do you have? Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. Salamat though. Thank you. Where do I want to walk? I've walked this side so many times. And then you got the left side. People love to see this side. All right, so right there is 42. That money changer is 42. So they're about the same. Let me look down here. Look down here quick. See what they're getting at the exchange place down here. 42, 40 or 52. I'm sorry, 52. So everybody's 52. Hey, good morning. All right. I want to show you this area down here. Right here. This is the corner right here, guys, where CJ got his phone taken from. Right here. In the evenings, these kids will hang out through here. So, guys, be careful if you're here and you're walking through this area. It's right across from the jeepney terminal. But yeah, be careful. Like I always say, at night, if you're out and about drinking and stuff, just grab a trike. Even if it takes you 2 or 3 blocks away, just grab a trike to be on the safe side. You could probably walk where you got to go a million times, but there's always just that one time. read something and Luke told me. The Rooster Wrestling, online Rooster Wrestling, also known as Sabang, I was told has now been, no thank you, I was told now is gone. They shut him down. Buddy. I was told it's been shut down. Online Rooster Wrestling, also known as Habang. You got Margarita Station on the right here. They're now open 24 hours, 7 days a week. So business must be good enough to where they're staying open 24 hours. I think Philly's is 24 hours too, and I'm good, buddy. I'm good, buddy. Thank you. Oh, thank you, buddy. Give me a good price. What's up, buddy? Another little bit of advice: if you do come here, keep your eyes down when you're walking. You don't want to twist an ankle when you're here. Twist an ankle, then you can't get around. I'm good, buddy. New president, new vice president coming up. Natalia's rate is 52 also. It's a good rate, 52. 55, 60 would be nice, but I'll take 52. Club Camelot, still for rent. I'll tell you a story about that. This is what I was told. This is what I was told. That somebody had bought that place, and there's supposed to be apartments or there's rooms for rent in there. During the pandemic, somebody snuck in there, basically gutted the place out, stole the furniture and whatever else was in there. Remember, that's what I was told. All right, nothing open. Too early. I'm good, buddy. A little bit of walking exercise is better than no walking exercise, right? Let me see something here quick. Live House Resto Bar. Haven't heard anything about that place there. And you got this place here. Donino. It's another one that's open up. A lot of tables and chairs in there, so maybe it's a restaurant. Morning. Let's just walk down here. We'll finish this walk up. Go down between Envy's and Philly's here. Go by Envy and Philly's. Got the ball game on.
Let's check in. Former Georgetown Center. He has done such a...
I want to get run over here. O'clock, 10:30 in the morning. This is my Guyuzu. Looks like the lights are on there. Let's check it. If you're here, stop in and check that place out up there. It's a nice little place. An American vent guy runs it. Good little wings, good little spot up there. Some might not like it because it can get loud in there. There's a lot of Filipinos do go in there. It's a great little place. Perch at Kokomo's, couple people there, not too many. Maybe eating breakfast, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of Kokomo's food. I've given it a few tries, a few times. Just not my cup of tea. We're not going to keep walking. We're going to shoot here to the right. Go back, get in the car. It's like a couple working girls coming to work. Girl's got some blue hair. She gets some blue hair there. Too late. Oh. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm back to where I parked at Tequila Reef. Just a morning walk after my breakfast. Like I said, good to get out and do a little bit of exercise. So anyways, guys, a couple more days, and the whole family, we're out of here. So we'll talk to you later.